Guys, welcome to our video on how to write blogs for your e-commerce store and drive sales. So guys, first of all, let me tell you why blogging is important for e-commerce stores. Guys, blogging drives traffic to your e-commerce website and it also establishes your brand as an authority in the industry and it educates your potential customers about the products that you're selling and it gives answers to your customers of many questions that they have in their minds. Now let me tell you how OpenAI is going to help you in this. So guys, OpenAI is an artificial intelligence based language processing tool by which you can create and generate high quality content effectively and quickly. And I'm going to make this process even more easy by integrating OpenAI inside the automation workflow, which is going to generate the blogs and publish the blogs for you automatically. And it will allow you to focus on other important aspects of your business and save your time. So let me show you the process. To set up the automation workflow, guys, we are using Pabbly Connect, which is an automation tool. And this is the landing page of Pabbly. And I have pasted the same link in the description. So from here, you can sign up right now and you will get free automation tasks every month to test and set up your automations. Okay. So from the given link, sign up right now. After that, you have to sign in and you will reach the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. And from here, you have to click on this create workflow button to create any workflow. And when you create a workflow, you will find these two modules first, the trigger and the action. Okay, so our automations are based on triggers and actions. So trigger is that event which starts the workflow and the actions are the responses or the consequence of the trigger. Okay, so here guys, you can see in our use case to write blogs and publish blogs using OpenAI automatically on your e-commerce store, I have connected Google Sheets application in the trigger. Okay, so in Google Sheets, I am adding the details about the blog. What kind of details? Like this. You can see I am just adding the topic of the blog, the words range, okay, the number of words we want to generate, and the status. Okay, so here these are the two important things, the column A where is the topic and the column B. Okay, and then I have connected this spreadsheet here in the workflow. You can see I have connected Google Sheets. I have choose Google Sheets as the application. Then I've selected the trigger event as new or updated spreadsheet row, and with the help of this webhook URL I have made this connection by following these steps written here. So you can follow the steps written here and create the connection. And after creating the connection, you need to bring some test data from your spreadsheet to here in this response section. Okay. So guys, I'm going to paste the link of a video in the description from which you can learn how exactly you can create this connection. Okay. After that, you can capture the test data from the spreadsheet and you will see the data here like this. So you can see it started showing the topic and the word range, okay, and the spreadsheet's name and all other things. After capturing the data, I have opened an action step here. And in this action step, I have connected with OpenAI application to generate the content using this data that we have received here from the spreadsheet. Okay, so I have selected the action event as generate content. Then I have made this connection using the API key of OpenAI application. Okay, so you will find the OpenAI's API key inside the key pages of OpenAI application. So let me show you that also. This is my OpenAI application, and here when you click on profile icon, you can find this view API keys option, and here you can generate a key by clicking on this button and you can use this key to make this connection here. Okay, then you have to select the model of artificial intelligence. So OpenAI has many models and this is the mostly used models that we are selecting here. Okay, then you have to provide a prompt to OpenAI. So guys, prompt is a kind of command that you have to provide to OpenAI to make it work for you. Okay, so here you can see I have written this command, write a blog for an e-commerce store to drive sales, and I have provided the blog topic. And here you can see I have mapped the topic from the previous step. Okay, so our automations works on data mapping as well. To forward the data from one application to another, we use mapping technique. Okay, so let me show you. For example, here I want to provide a topic to this prompt. Okay, and I have received the topic from my spreadsheet and I have received this topics label here. So to provide the topic here, I'm going to map the label here. For that, I just have to click here in front of this colon like this, and the previous step will appear here in the drop down. And when I'm going to click on it, you will find the data here only. And from here, you can click on any label to map the label here. And why we map the label here? Because in real time, when this workflow is going to run, that means after setting up this automation, whenever you are going to add any new topic here, the workflow is going to trigger and this label is going to be updated and new blocks will be generated for the new topics automatically. Okay, right? Then we have provided the maximum number of tokens or the words that we want to generate using OpenAI. Okay, so I have provided 400. The default value is this. Then we have selected the sampling technique. So OpenAI uses sampling technology to generate content. So I'm using the default sampling technique, that is temperature sampling. Okay, and here you have to provide a sampling value between 0 to 1. Default value is 0.7. So I have placed here 0.8. Okay. So we have these fields also, but these are not compulsory fields. So I have left these fields blank. You can use it if you have more knowledge of OpenAI. Okay. And then I have selected best of 3 option. So it will resample the content 3 times and give me the best results. And after that, I have clicked on save and send test request button to make the OpenAI run for me and create a test result for me here in this response section. So it has generated a test blog for me, and you can find the blog in this choices 0 text label. Here is the blog that it has generated. You can read. Okay, this is the blog generated out of OpenAI. Okay, right. And after getting the blog generated, I want to publish it on my e-commerce store. So here I have connected with Shopify inside the action step. If you have any other e-commerce store, you can connect it here like BigCommerce. Okay. And the action event we have used is this create blog entry. So this is the action event we have for Shopify. And here you have to select the blogs category. So we have 2 categories, news and fashion and lifestyle. So I have selected fashion and lifestyle. And here it is asking for the topic. So I have mapped the topic from Google Sheets like this. Okay, let me show you one more time. Like this. Okay. Then then you have to enter the author's name here. You can fill your name. And in the content, I have mapped the content generated from OpenAI. Let me show you. Here, when you click, the previous steps will appear in the drop-down, and from the second step, map this choices 0 text label. Okay, and it will be mapped here. All right. And if you have any image, you can map it here. Right now, I'm not featuring any image, so I'm leaving these things. The excerpt thing also, I'm leaving the blank. Right now, I do not want to provide any text, so I'm leaving this blank also. If you want to directly publish it, you can make it true and it will be published on your e-commerce store. Let me show you how. I'm clicking on save and send test request button here. And this is the response we have received. Let me show you on my e-commerce store. This is my e-commerce store, guys. And let me see the blog posts here. So I'm under manage blog section. And here you can see the fashion and lifestyle category. I'm going to click on view blog. And here you can see the blog is here, how to create and schedule bulk posts in WordPress. You can see this is the same topic I have added here in the Google Sheet, and the same topics blog is created here. And let me open the blog for you. And here you can read, this is the same content generated from OpenAI application. You can see. Okay. This is the same content. Right. So this is how it is going to work, guys. And we are done setting up this automation, and you have to set up it only once. After that, you don't have to do anything manually. After that, whenever you are going to add any new row topic here, the workflow will start working and generate the content and publish the content automatically like this. And guys, if you want to know how to make these connections, I'm going to paste some videos in the description. You can learn from that. And for creating the connection with Shopify, when you connect it, when you click on connect here, and from here select add new connection if you're making the connection for the first time, and here it will ask for the API access token and the subdomain name of your Shopify store. And to find these things, you can click on this video word. I have attached a video here. Okay, so when you click on this video word written in blue, you will reach our YouTube channel, and here we have a dedicated video on making the connection with Shopify, so you can learn from this video and create your connection. All right. And guys, the best part is you can use this same workflow as well, as I'm going to paste the link of this same workflow in the description, and you can clone the same workflow in your own free Pabbly Connect account and start using this automation instantly. Guys, thank you so much for watching our video, and please let us know how our automation ideas are helping you in the comment section. And if you have any queries related to this application, please ask your queries from this forum link, and do check the pricing of this application from this link. And guys, we are open to ideas. If you want us that we should make videos on other aspects of your business, please do let us know in the comment section. And if you like our work, please subscribe to our channel.